Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Black Shark 4, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel and find the power saving mode. Here it's called battery saver, which is located right here for me. So once you find it, you can tap on it to turn it on. As you can see, it does turn on dark mode because this device does have an AMOLED display, meaning anything that is completely black, like the background right here, does actually not light up the pixels. So the device will be saving a bit of a battery for anything that is completely black. And additionally, it will do things in the background which are not really disclosed. So mobile network and Wi-Fi will be disconnected after a period of inactivity of the device. So if you're not using the device and it's laying locked kind of like this, then the device will disconnect to preserve battery. Now it will reconnect the moment you wake up the device again automatically, so you don't have to do anything. But because of that, you won't be receiving any kind of notifications when the device is not being used. So keep that in mind. And once you're done with this mode, all you need to do is go back to it, tap on a toggle once more, and everything will go back to functioning normally. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.